You think humans are the only ones who use tools? Think again. Across the globe, animals are proving to be surprisingly inventive, using tools in ways that show not just survival instinct, but real ingenuity. Let us begin our journey into the wild world of animal tool use with a species that has long been known for its intelligence: chimpanzees. In the forests of Africa, chimpanzees can be seen selecting just the right kind of stick, stripping off the leaves, and then carefully inserting it into termite mounds. What happens next is astonishing. They use the stick like a fishing pole, pulling it out covered in wriggling termites. It's a clever method of harvesting food, and it shows a deep understanding of both tools and prey behavior. But chimpanzees aren't the only tool users. Travel to the coastlines where sea otters float on their backs, and you'll witness another genius at work. Otters often use rocks as hammers to crack open tough shellfish. They even have a favorite rock they keep tucked under their armpits, ready for the next meal. That's not just behavior, it's preparation, and possibly even a sign of culture. In the skies, crows take tool use to a whole new level. Some species of crows bend wires into hooks to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places. Others drop nuts onto roads so cars can crack them open, then swoop down when the traffic stops to claim their prize. These birds aren't just reacting, they're problem-solving, and that's a remarkable sign of intelligence. But food isn't the only reason animals use tools. In the jungles of South America, capuchin monkeys have been observed using stones as weapons, throwing them to scare off predators or rival monkeys. Elephants have been seen using branches to swat flies or even scratch itches they can't reach with their trunks. And certain birds build elaborate nests using collected objects, including twigs, leaves, and even human debris. These tools become part of their defense strategy, ensuring safety for themselves and their offspring. One of the most fascinating examples comes from the ocean floor. The veined octopus collects discarded coconut shells and carries them for later use as a portable shelter. When threatened, it hides inside the shell and pulls the halves together like a clamshell fortress. It's one of the clearest examples of foresight ever recorded in an invertebrate. What makes all of this even more amazing is how these behaviors are sometimes passed down from one generation to the next. Young chimpanzees learn by watching their elders. Juvenile crows observe and mimic the problem-solving techniques of adults. There is growing evidence that some animals not only use tools, but teach tool use, a trait once thought to be uniquely human. Researchers around the world are constantly discovering new examples of animal intelligence. Dolphins use marine sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. Egyptian vultures use rocks to break open ostrich eggs. And wasps have been seen using pebbles to smooth their nests. Tool use reveals a hidden layer of the animal kingdom, a layer where behavior is driven not just by instinct, but by reasoning, adaptation, and sometimes even culture. As we continue to study these creatures, we gain a deeper understanding of intelligence across species and the remarkable strategies that allow life to thrive in even the harshest environments. So the next time you see a bird using a stick or a monkey cracking a nut, remember, it's not just a random act. It's a glimpse into the ingenuity of the wild. If you're enjoying this fascinating look into the natural world, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more mind-blowing content. We're building a community here, one that celebrates knowledge, curiosity, and the wonders of our planet. Be part of it. This video was created to showcase how far artificial intelligence has come and to raise awareness about the amazing intelligence of animals. But keep in mind, it's still artificial. Sometimes we get things wrong. Thanks for watching.